A words, page 1. You use these when you're asking permission, would like to do something, or have to do something. The structure is important. You take something from part 1, such as an bhfuil cead agam, something from part 2, amhrán, something from part 3, a chana, put them together, an bhfuil cead agam, amhrán, a chana. Something from part 1, bawathlum, something from part 2, doris, something from part 3, a runa, bawathlum, doris, a runa. There is one exception on this page when using fécant. We say bawathlum fécant chartún. Pronunciations: an bhfuil cead agam, bawathlum, tá orm, or you can say caithfidh mé, tá mé ag iarraidh. Amhrán, doras, fuinneog, cartoon, na plátaí, na páipéir, nóta, scéal, buscalón, na sailse. Part 3 words: a chana, a chór, a rúna, a dlana, a fiucha, a scríb, a thógáil, a lasa, a bhuca. Notice how most of these words have a H after the A, except S and L. Your challenge is to be able to take something from part 1, part 2, part 3 and put them together in a sentence that makes sense, while remembering that fécant is an exception.